This is a Summit S3 floor plan with some semi-custom modifications we made for this couple's personal needs. This customer, it's their second vehicle, and she's nicknamed her vehicle Big Shorty. So we're going to introduce you to Big Shorty today. Entry, egress in and out of the van was very important to these folks. They wanted to have these power running boards that we put on. They fold up when they're on the road, fold down nicely, makes it a nice even entryway into the vehicle. They do have some grandchildren that they want to take with them on trips, so we included this Travaux floor system, track floor system in here, and they can put 2 to 3 additional jump seats into this vehicle. One of the nice features she wanted was a nice large countertop, so we did a countertop height shower bathroom with a shower curtain, bifold door, so she can get in and out of the bathroom very easily. The curtain comes down, the countertop folds down, gives her plenty of counter surface. We did a different style sink in this vehicle. It has a fold down faucet, so it also folds flat, and the sink cover covers that space and allows a nice large counter area. One of the other features you're going to see inside here is her custom bench. The back of the bench folds out, it's magnetically attached. You can pull that down. She has a large drawer in there for some additional storage. We gave her 2 locations for her lagoon table, one by the sofa and another one up here by the front seat. So when you swivel the passenger seat, they can share that table with someone sitting in one of the jump seats. She did a large 130 refrigerator, and she did a microwave oven. And one of the new features we were showing in this van too is our LED strip lighting, and we use that above the shower, on the floor, kind of in the toe space on the sofa, and then in the storage compartment back in the back underneath the platform bed. So in addition to the LED strip lights, we've developed this cute little light bulb light switch. It's a touch feature. You tap it, the light comes on, you touch and hold it, the light dims down, release it, touch it again, bring it right back up to brightness, and then tap it to turn it off. Very easy to see what it is. It's a light bulb light switch. We've used it throughout the van. You'll see it as we walk through inside. You'll also notice several grab handles on the ceiling, on the cabinets, to help her get up out of her bed and slide down onto the seat. She's picked up a couple of additional Van Wife storage bags, soft canvas bags, in addition to her wood cabinets. And we also feature in this van the new Victron system with the digital control station, so she can read all of her electronics, her battery status, power coming in from the alternator, house battery status, charge, state of charge, and her controls for her heater, hot water heater. We did a bed extension that fits over the sofa, so at nighttime when they're sleeping, they can pull the mattress out here, put it into place, and now they've got a nice size, almost a king size bed back there. We did the bed lower for her to get in and out of it. She also wanted nice nightstand counters in the flare space there. We gave her some 110 outlets and some USB plugs in there, as well as up at the ceiling. These are custom bendy lights here. They're LED lights. They have a white light and a red light for evening, and they also are dimmable. She asked for front and rear ceiling fans as well as a AC unit. In addition to extra storage, they also wanted the convenience to be able to use this 48-inch sliding tray, so they can put their luggage and gear on this tray and be able to get it out of the van, get it out on the floor, get it outside. They can use it, repack it, put the tray back in. Got a large water tank, status of her water tank on that electric monitor, exterior shower port, and her 30 amp fuse panel, circuit breaker panel, and access to her battery system. This is a bug wall custom garage style bug screen. It rolls down for the screen part above. You've got this tucked away so you can get access to the garage. No bugs are going to get into the vehicle that way. This also rolls down to secure it privately so nobody can see your gear. And in addition, in the inclement weather, it has a plastic curtain to keep the water out of the van in the upper portion if it's snowing or raining. and it keeps the heat in the van also. So we've been installing Fiamma awnings on our vans for years, and we found this new feature they're offering us. It's a LED light strip built into the awning, and it's also dimmable, and you can have the light on whether the awning's open or closed. So if you're outside in the evening, want to have that feature area to sit under the outside without the stars, you got the LED lights. Put the awning away, you still have the porch light out there while you're working, setting up camp, breaking down camp. So one of the other services we provide here at Field Van is we do suspension upgrades. This vehicle has a Falcon Van Compass 4.3 suspension kit on it. It's got adjustable shocks on it, 3-position adjustment, upgraded spring pack on the back, and upgraded shock package as well. Very important on these high roof vans to increase the stability and the ride on the vehicle, helps you with crosswinds, and just overall ride and performance. So thank you for taking a tour of Big Shorty today with me. As you can see, we do custom, semi-custom builds. I hope you're following us on fieldvan.com, on our YouTube network, our Instagram account, and certainly stop in and take a tour at the plant anytime you're in this Fresno area, and we'll put together a nice little unit for you.